In this video we will study how to invert a signal. Split this signal into two out of phase signals. For this I will use 7404 IC 5404 or 7404. It is inverter. Pin number 1 is input, pin number 2 is output. So pin number 3 and 4. Pin number 2 will invert the signal, and we will use two inverters for taking two types of signals. Number 14 pin is VCC and number 7 pin it is ground pin, and we will connect 10 nanofarad capacitor. Capacitor is connected between 14 and 7. 2 and 3 are short together. Pin number 4, that is connected LED. I take output from pin number 2 and pin number 4. 19 ohm resistor in series of LED. Pin number 7 is connected to ground. Pin number 14 to positive VCC. Our circuit is working. We can see we have two different output at 7404. One is on, the other is off. We have 180 degree out of phase outputs.